Meaning of family doctor.
Family doctor.
Family doctor.
Family doctor.
Family doctor. A family doctor is a primary care physician who provides medical care for individuals and families. They offer preventative care, diagnose and treat a wide range of illnesses, and provide ongoing management of chronic conditions. Family doctors typically see patients of all ages throughout their lifespan, from newborns to elderly individuals. They also often serve as the first point of contact for patients seeking medical care and can refer them to specialists if necessary. Overall, family doctors play a crucial role in promoting overall health and wellness for their patients and their families.